This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Estate sale. Welcome to your mountain retreat. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath home offers breathtaking seasonal mountain views. Step inside to discover a well-appointed kitchen, a cozy dining area, and a convenient laundry room, making everyday living a breeze. The outbuilding provides ample storage for your outdoor gear, while the carport and circular driveway ensure easy parking and maneuvering. Situated just minutes away from Lake Chatuge, hiking trails, dining options and hospital. This home offers the perfect blend of tranquility and accessibility. And best of all, no covenants and restrictions. Short-term rentals are allowed. Call me today. For more information, review the details below or contact